Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
All right, how you doing?
Welcome.
Thank you.
So, this is the all-new Chevy Traverse. What do you think?
This looks better than 99% of the SUVs out there.
It's very modern, sleek.
It seats up to 8.
Oh, you're kidding me. 8?
I like those headlights.
These are class-exclusive LED D-optic headlamps.
This looks like a luxury car.
Yeah, this is a head turner.
Well, maybe the most impressive part of the all-new Traverse is what's on the inside.
What's going on? What's going on?
I've missed you guys. I haven't seen you guys in so long.
What are you doing here? I can't believe this.
What's happening?
We flew her out. It's a family car. We had to put your family in it.
Awesome car.
Yeah, it gets 7 thumbs up.